Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Today in this video we will discuss, we are discussing the Flute Diaries. Actually this is the playlist which I am publishing or presenting to you. It's a step by step flute learning. Okay. तो जैसा कि मैंने इसके पहले 2-3 वीडियोस और भी डाले थे इसके रिगार्डिंग कैसे हम लोग स्टेप बाय स्टेप फ्लूट सीख सकते हैं इसके ऊपर, तो हम लोगों ने बेस पा से शुद्ध मा तक हम लोगों ने सीखा है. तो वी हैव लर्न सो फार फ्रॉम द बेस पा टू शुद्ध मा. लेट मी रिवाइज क्विकली. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज ब्लो. यू हैव टू ब्लो. Very quickly recap how to blow. Say M, M. Then the stretch will come and blow. And put the blow inside it. Okay. Make sure the angle of this area is perfectly fine and your entire blow goes inside. Okay, fine. This is the blow, how to blow. Now it is तीव्र मा. धीरे धीरे गा. Very nice. So far so good. We have reached to the pa. Now we will play from base pa and shuddha ma, place ma to shuddha ma, pyramid. How to play? Okay, so let me explain the pyramid. Pa, pa, dha, pa, pa, dha, ni, dha, pa. Where I am going? Pa, pa, dha, pa. Take another note and return back to the origin. तो एक एक स्वर करके हम लोग लेंगे तो and return back to the origin. Pa, pa, dha, pa, pa, dha, ni, dha, pa, pa, dha, ni, sa, ni, dha, pa. तो ऑलवेज आई एम रिटर्निंग बैक टू पा. मैं घूम फिर के वही पा में फिर से जा रहा हूँ. पा, पा धा पा, पा धा नी धा पा, पा धा नी सा नी धा पा, पा धा नी सा नी धा पा, पा धा नी सा रे गा रे सा नी धा पा, पा धा नी सा रे गा मा गा रे सा नी धा पा. So this is ga and little open here will shuddhama will come. Little open of here the shuddhama will come. Pa dha ni sa re ga shuddhama. Little open. So the entire, this is called pyramid. It looks like, if you place the notes, it looks like a pyramid structure. That is the reason it's called pyramid. Okay, you understood correctly. So what we have learned? Pa to shuddhama, pyramid. Okay, let me play. Now before you play, आई डू रिक्वेस्ट यू, पहले बजाने से पहले आपको करना क्या है, इसको शैडो प्रैक्टिस करना है. बोलिए एंड फिंगर को मूव कीजिए तो ही आपका फास्ट मूवमेंट आएंगे. तो इट विल बी I hope this is clear to you. Now continuously practice. 4 mandatory practice you definitely do in every single day from base pa to shuddhama, which are 8 count of each note, then 4 count, then 2 count, and then 1 count. Remember, this will give you a huge understanding of the tal and the whole the sur, the breath control you will have. I hope this much is clear to you. So you will practice 2 things now, pyramid and base pa to shuddhama each note 8 count, 4 count, 2 counts and 1 count. You can use metronome, you can use drum. Metronome will sound 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 like this. So you will go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is called 8 counts. Then 4 counts, then 2 counts and then 1 counts. I hope you understand this much. It's very important practice. You practice this. Next video is coming for the upper note practice. Okay, all the best. Please practice. Bye bye.